Hi, how you doing? I'm Said Khan from affiliate.com and I've come with another video for you. And today is one of my favorite topics, which is evergreen affiliate niches. Okay, so today we're going to talk about evergreen affiliate niches and affiliate programs. So what are evergreen affiliate niches? Evergreen affiliate niches are niches that will almost be around forever, hence evergreen. These are niches that generally satisfy humans' essential painful needs and desires. Evergreen niches are sustainable and have longevity as they accommodate for products and services that are essentially needed, are in demand all the time in our lifetime. Some popular evergreen affiliate niches. So let's look at some of the popular niches, evergreen ones that are available. Okay, and these are there are numerous evergreen niches that exist, but some of the more popular evergreen niches that you may know of and be familiar with, they are health and wellness, wealth and making money, relationships, finance, travel, personal development, slash self-improvement, business and entrepreneurship. So can you see how all of these evergreen niches may be in demand until the end of time? And they are evergreen niches because we as human beings, we're likely to be interested in some or all of them, and we want them at some point for our lives and also our future generation lives. So let's look at some benefits of affiliate niches, evergreen affiliate niches. So to explain the first benefit of evergreen affiliate niches, let's look at a comparison to a non-evergreen niche, which is technology. Okay, so for example, a couple of years ago, CDs and DVDs, right? They were the trend. I can remember back in the days, I used to love CDs, DVDs. Now they're almost gone and replaced with the current technology of online streaming and downloading, right? With that said, if you were to create an affiliate website back in the days promoting CD and DVD player systems as an affiliate, let's say you're reviewing and recommending these products, affiliate products, and you earn a commission from them. Now fast forward today, now that we are in year 2019, unfortunately your affiliate website about CDs and DVD systems may not be relevant, in this day and age, in this year, as we have online streaming and downloading of digital audio and video. So this now brings us nicely to the benefit number one of evergreen niches. So benefit number one is evergreen niches do not usually become outdated and expire or become irrelevant. Evergreen niches can stay relevant and valid for years to come. For example, the making money niche. Many people are always looking to make money now, and more people would probably be seeking it to make money in the future. Evergreen niches accommodate for essential human needs and desires, and they come into people's lives as a repeat life cycle for new generation. Benefit number two, content will be relevant for longer periods of time. So when it comes to content, a lot of the topic content that you create for an evergreen niche can potentially also remain evergreen, meaning once you publish it, you wouldn't need to update it for a long time or ever. For example, let's say you're in the health niche and you're writing an article on how to run properly, right? This article can be published once with probably no need to update it anytime in the future, as it's a timeless piece of information and will always be relevant, right? How to run properly. Benefit number three, you don't need to keep on creating new content. So as a knock-on benefit from benefit number two, you don't have to keep on writing new content every time. Benefit number four, can free up more time. So another knock-on benefit from number three, because you don't need to create more content, you now have some time to focus on more income producing activities such as promoting your content, your funnels, building your brand, etc. Benefit number five, you don't have to worry about promoting the next product launch. So there's always new products coming out, affiliate products coming out, but when it comes to evergreen niches, there's some products out there that will always be in demand for consumers. Therefore, you can focus just building on improving your marketing campaigns, on promoting these evergreen type products and not having to worry about the next product launch. Okay. Benefit number six, evergreen niches do not suffer from market saturation. When you promote evergreen products, you do not have to be concerned about market saturation, because these evergreen niches serve an audience of specific age ranges, right? It's a repeat life cycle of new people entering the age ranges that will need to use these evergreen products. Then they will mature and leave in the age range, and then more new people will enter the range rate, and so on. Okay, now it may appear to be a bit confusing when I try and explain, but let me try and explain with an example of the make money online evergreen niche, which may make a bit more sense. Right, so it's the year 2019 and I'm currently in my 40s. Yes, as you can see, I probably don't look it, but I'm looking to make money online, right? That's what I'm into. And think about this: is it possible that people like me who reach a certain age, or even at any point of their lives, they may be looking for ways to make money? It sure is possible, right? Because every year, every month, every day, new people will have a reason in their lives to look for ways to make money. It could be because of debt, because of unemployment, because they're not happy with their job income, because they want to quit their dead jobs, because they hate working for their unreasonable bosses, because they want to live a better quality lifestyle, because they want to change their home postcode, they want to buy a new house, they want to leave the area that you're living in because of antisocial behavior or whatever, because they want to provide a better life for their kids, because they want to do something for their retirement, because they want to have more time, more money, more location freedom, and many other reasons. For example, I'm recording this video on a Sunday. On a Sunday, a lot of people dread going back, to work on a Monday because, work problems, or they hate their jobs, whatever. So they could be literally right now, as I'm creating this video, someone's probably searching on the internet, for ways to make money because they're dreading their job tomorrow. So, there's many reasons why people will be looking to make money, and that's just one example on the make money niche, but there's other examples as well. As I said, evergreen niches are there to serve people's needs at any given time in their lifetime. So, for example, when they reach a certain age, health and wellness, people will be looking to improve their health. For example, aging products. If someone's maturing, bless them, and they be looking to look young or whatever, yeah, right? Some people are in difficulty, debt, not happy with their weight loss niche, want to look for a partner and settle down, dating, relationships, when they want to improve themselves, personal development, and so on. So let's now look at 3 examples of big evergreen niches and affiliate programs. Okay, so let's now look at some examples of current products that serve evergreen niches. So evergreen niche, make money. Okay, and that's the kind of niche affiliateship is about, helping you make money with affiliate marketing, right? So the product evergreen affiliate product is the Success Challenge, and this is a training program from my mentor Vic, and my #1 recommendation as well. If anyone wants to build a rock solid affiliate marketing business, I definitely recommend this training program. I've been through it myself, it's changed my life, and I definitely recommend it. Okay, this course is not just a course on affiliate marketing, it's a course on transforming you to become the best version of yourself so that you can go out and achieve great success in your life and whatever venture that you pursue, including affiliate marketing. And if you want to get a free taster of the course, you can definitely get it. I'll put a link in the YouTube description. I'll also put a link on the whole article of this video that I'm talking about, the content in article form, and you can check it out as well yourself. Okay, so that was just that make money online niche, the big evergreen niche. Okay, next niche is evergreen niche is weight loss. So the evergreen affiliate product right now, flat belly fix. This product is in the weight loss category and currently in the top 5 sellers on ClickBank, the online one of the largest online affiliate products marketplace, mainly specialized in digital products. So that particular product is serving the weight loss niche here, and weight loss niche, and it's called Flat Belly Fix, and then it's selling a lot. Okay, and it's another huge niche and best-selling product of some special tips on losing weight. It's just I think it's a digital product, and it provides special training on how to lose weight, a secret or whatever. So not much hard selling needed in these types of evergreen niches, as you can imagine, especially if you get your offer in front of the right people trying to lose weight, right? So next evergreen niche is relationships. and the Evergreen affiliate product is His Secret Obsession, and this product is in the data and relationships category and currently in the top 10 sellers in ClickBank. As we all know, we all want to fall in love, find an ideal partner, life partner. Therefore, the relationship niche is there to serve those of us who are looking for that special person to come into our lives, and you know, definitely will go out and look for products like that, you know, trying to improve that product that will improve our, you know, love life, relationships, and all that. Yeah. So the above examples that I've gone through are some of the products that in the Evergreen niches that you can potentially promote for a long time without having to worry about finding new products to promote, you know, or participate in project launches. And what you can do if you do promote, you know, Evergreen products, you can just focus on promoting, you know, one set of products and just, you know, improve your marketing and optimize your campaigns and just make it better, improve it, make it profitable, and just rinse and repeat, right? Rather than finding new products every time to promote. So to sum it up, Evergreen niches are very lucrative, can provide you with a steady income and stability, especially when you get your marketing campaigns running profitably. On the other side, you'll be having ongoing, never-ending flow of consumers who are looking to solve some of their specific problems, and solutions are provided in the form of affiliate products in those Evergreen niches. Wherever niche that you get into, always remember that the product that you promote must provide tremendous value and bring results. Even better if it can transform and change people's lives in a massive way. And that's what I believe in. I'm going for. As you may have noticed, my website affiliate.com is all about affiliate marketing, right? I can promote every shiny new product, you know, shiny new object products relating to affiliate marketing just to, you know, make quick commissions. Or I can just focus on promoting one thing that has the potential to truly change and improve someone for the better. Therefore, right now, that's exactly what I'm trying to focus on. That is to promote that one affiliate trading product line that provides transformational value to my audience in terms of bringing results and success in their lives. To the extent that they will literally become a different person from when they started the training and come out on the other side like a reinvented, greater version of themselves. I'm saying it because that's what I went through and that's how I feel, okay? So when you can help someone transform their lives in this powerful way, you feel good, the commission that you earn, feel like you've earned it, you're well deserved, and your customer who you recommended those products to will sure keep coming back to you for more because you helped them and it changed them, improved them. And that's it really. So by the way, if you're interested to know what that product is, I'll put a link in the description below. You can check her out. I think you'll like it. You'll get some great value from it. Affiliate top, one of the best affiliate marketing training products out there, in my opinion. And that's it really. So yeah, that's about it for Evergreen affiliate niches. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you know, it gave you a bit of insight and advice, guides, you know, tips on promoting Evergreen affiliate niches. Okay, so that's it for now. And if you'd like some free resources on building your affiliate marketing business, check out affiliateship.com/free, and I'll put all the links that I mentioned below the YouTube description. Thanks a lot and all the best.